Have you ever felt that your job is draining you mentally and not just physically? And you might be feeling, there has to be something else for me. You're not alone in this. I experienced the same feeling, and that is why I created a system. In this video, I will share the step-by-step plan I followed to go from zero to being hired as a data analyst in just 6 months. If you have been considering changing your job, or you want to gain analytical skills that can help you in your current role, but you feel overwhelmed, you don't know where to start, then this video is for you. Don't skip any part, because I am going to give you the actual plan you can follow. At the end of this video, you would have a clear roadmap for becoming a data analyst in the right order. A practical way to get experience without a data-related job. Yes, that's possible. Transferable skills from healthcare or any other role that you can use to position yourself properly. How to build a simple portfolio that actually helps, not just the pretty dashboard. How to write your CV like someone that is already in the data space. To prepare for interviews, which includes, the common questions you would usually get. And finally, mentorship and exposure. If you're new to this channel or you don't know me, my name is Tuminino, but you can call me Me. This channel is for you if you're trying to build skills, improve yourself, grow your career, earn more without burning out or pretending everything is perfect. So let's start from the real struggle. Working as a healthcare assistant is real work. Yes, even though it teaches, responsibility, empathy, attention to detail, it can also leave you with this feeling like, I'm working so hard, but my brain is not being used. And sometimes the scariest part of this job is not even the workload. It's the thought of doing it for years without clear progression. I started asking myself a simple question. What job pays more for thinking? Because honestly, some jobs reward effort, some jobs reward leverage. Data analysis is one of those roles you can enter through skills, exists in almost every industry, and it gives you a ladder to climb. But here's the truth nobody says out loud. Entry-level data jobs are not entry-level anymore. In the UK, junior roles often mean junior salary with mid-level expectations. So what you need is strategy. This takes me to the next section of the video, which is transferable skills. One mistake I see a lot is thinking your current job has no value outside that industry. Let me tell you what healthcare gave me that directly transfers into data. I call these transferable skills, and I'll mention 7 of them. 1. Accurate documentation. You cannot guess in healthcare, same with data. 2. Attention to detail. Small mistakes can have big consequences. 3. Handling sensitive information, confidentiality and compliance. This applies to data as well. 4. Working under pressure. 5. Communicating clearly with different people. 6. Spotting outliers, changes, inconsistencies, and even escalating issues early. This is huge in data work. What a lot of people think is data analysts just sit down and do Excel. No. Data analysts are basically professional sense makers. Here, you don't just record information, you interpret what matters and act on it. And I believe this exists in other roles, same as with data analyst job. Now, transferable skills help you position yourself. But these skills alone do not get you hired. You need proof. So here's the exact order I followed to achieve that. Let me save you years of confusion. I'll be sharing with you what to learn in the right order. This is the order that makes most sense. Learn Excel, not I know Excel, like opening Excel. Formulas like ifs, sum ifs, VLOOKUPs, XLOOKUPs, pivot tables, and basic charts. Because Excel is the language of most workplace. Do not underrate it. Step 2 is SQL. This is the real gatekeeper. SQL is the skill that makes recruiters take you seriously. You don't need to know everything. Just learn the common SQL queries like select, from, where, join, group by, case when, and you can learn the CTEs later. SQL is like asking a database questions politely and getting your response. Step 3 is data visualization. You can achieve this by learning Power BI, Tableau, or even pivot charts in Excel. But here is the uncommon truth. Dashboards don't impress hiring managers if you cannot explain the insights. So when you learn any of the data visualization tool, focus on what question your dashboard answered, what decision it supports, what changed because of it. Step 4. This is a little bit of statistics. Just focus on only what you need to know. The mean, median, mode, trends, correlation, basic interpretation. Just don't overwhelm yourself. One more thing, don't learn everything at once. That's like trying to cook jollof rice, bake a cake, and grill a chicken all at once. You would only be left stressed, hungry, and even feel so tired to eat. Yes, so don't learn everything at once. Now that you have the transferable and the technical skills, how do you get experience without a data-related job? Because honestly, most employers want candidates with experience. This is the part most people skill, and they wonder why they are not getting interviews. Because you need proof you can apply these skills. There are realistic ways. I'm going to mention several options you can choose from, or even do all. 1. Portfolio project using real data sets. Not random Titanic data sets that looks like every other person. Pick projects based on job adverts. If the job description or person specification says retention, cost saving, performance metrics, or report automation, then build your projects around this keyword. Option 2 is volunteering. Yes, volunteering counts if you structure it properly. Small charities, community organizations, church, small businesses, they all have data problems like attendance tracking, donation records, simple performance dashboard. Even if it's just 4 hours a week, it becomes experience using real data with real stakeholders. Option 3 is bootcamps, only the best ones, or interactive online platforms that include practical projects. Udacity was the platform I used at that time. For bootcamps, they can help if you choose wisely. And what makes a bootcamp worth it is if they have the following: career support, that is CV and mock interviews, new project, mentor feedback, and a recognized track record. What is not what it is if the bootcamp is just an expensive watch videos and quizzes? And the final option here is internal opportunity. If you are employed somewhere, ask to help with audits, reporting, spreadsheets, rota patterns, or anything that involves data. You would be shocked how many data experiences live inside non-data jobs. Now, here is the uncommon truth. You can be skilled and still not get hired if your CV reads like you are just trying. So, here is how I wrote mine. I stopped writing my CV like I'm hoping someone gives me a chance. I started writing it like I do the analytical work. I did not list duties. I only listed outcomes. Instead of I used Excel, I wrote something like I cleaned and analyzed data to identify patterns, created reports that improved visibility, supported decisions using data insights. So your CV needs to answer these questions. What problem did you solve? What tool did you use? What was the impact? And in the UK job market, one uncommon truth is recruiters scan for keywords first. So your CV must include SQL, Excel, Power BI or Tableau, stakeholder communication, reporting, and insight. But please make it sound human, not just the buzzwords. If you want the CV template I used, the one that got me multiple interviews, comment CV below and I will share the link with you. You may have all the skills, a great portfolio, and a very good CV, but still do not get a job. This takes me to the next conversation. Stay with me. Interview preparation. Most interviews will test the following: your thinking. They will ask questions like, how would you approach this problem? What they want to see here is structure, not perfection. 2, your communication. They will ask, how do you explain data to non-technical people? 3 is your project. They will ask that you walk them through one project or a task. you have been involved in. And they want the question, the process, the result, and what you would improve. A simple structure that works in a STAR approach answers this: the situation, task, action, result, and reflection. And one more thing, don't pretend you know everything. Confidence is calm honesty. I'm happy to make a separate detailed video on interview preparation or portfolio review. Just comment below what you want more clarity on, and I'll build the next video around that. The last thing I'll talk about is mentorship and exposure. Let's separate these two because they matter. Mentorship isn't just someone advising you. Mentorship is shortening your learning curve, avoiding wrong moves, understanding what hiring managers really want. And exposure is getting your work seen, building credibility, getting referrals. Sometimes one conversation saves you 6 months of guessing. Even if you don't have a mentor yet, join communities, attend free webinars, connect with analysts on LinkedIn respectfully, ask smart questions. Not please help me. No, smart questions like, I'm learning this. Could you share what mattered most when you started? And to be honest, people respond better to clarity. Bonus point. What I would do differently if I started data analysis again. I would focus on fewer tools but deeper skill, start projects earlier, stop waiting to feel ready, and build proof before confidence. Because the truth is, confidence doesn't come before action, it comes after repetition. If you are currently in a draining job and you are quietly thinking, there has to be more than this for me, I want you to know that you are not imagining it. You don't need a perfect background or a degree. What you need is plan, proof, and positioning. If this video helped you, please like it. It helps YouTube show it to someone else who needs it. And I like to read comments. If you want to enhance your analytical skills to up your current career position, or you want to transition into data analytics, please just comment, the position you're currently in, what you're trying to do, or the role you aspire to pursue. I value your insights and I'll gladly engage with the comments. Share this video with someone else who keeps saying, I want to leave my job, but I don't know how. See you in my next video.